You join us today on the rooftop of the Hilton and Moss showroom amongst some of our very special Lotus stock. Now, the Hilton and Moss brand has been selling Lotus cars for over 20 years, formerly as a main dealership. We've got some of the rarest and most phenomenal Lotus cars in stock right now. Let's talk through the cars from start to finish. We'll start with the Lotus Aurora GT430. This is the fastest and most track orientated of the Aurora family. Only 60 of these cars were ever made, and this particular car is finished as Empire Green. You very rarely see these come up for sale. It's a very special and desirable car. Moving on now to the Lotus 311. Now, the 311 is probably the most hardcore and fastest of the Lotus family. This particular car is fitted with a Comatec 490 kit and sequential gearbox. It doesn't get faster and more exciting and rawer than this. A particularly good car and very rare once again. Sticking with the track theme, we move on to the Lotus Exige Cup 430, the fastest and most track orientated of the Exige range. This particular car is a final edition and was the last one off the production line, making it extra special. Moving on now to the Lotus 211. Now, the team at Hilton and Moss have handled a variety of these cars over the years, and these are the older brother of the 311. This car is fitted with a 2ZZ supercharged engine, very popular, high revving, and a great track car, once again, very collectible. Now, this car needs no introduction after recent press, the Lotus Amira. The last combustion engine put into a Lotus car. It's a great GT car, great sports car. This one's finished in Seneca Blue and has under 30 miles from new, and is ready for the new keeper, box fresh. Moving on now to the Lotus Exige V6 Cup. Rumoured to be the last car built by Lotus Motorsport, it's a very special road or track car. No radio, no speakers, harnesses, a fire extinguisher. It's a phenomenal track weapon and becoming very collectible. This particular car has only one owner from new, who specified it back in the factory. It's then been with him since then, serviced regularly, and is available for the first time on the open market. Continuing the Exige theme now, we move on to the 420 Sport Final Edition. Now, these came right at the end of production and were fitted with a variety of goodies, including the AIM digital dash and a bespoke interior. They mark the last of the line and are a great collector's car. This car's very low mileage and finished in Vortex Grey. Progressing on now to the Aurora GT410 Sport, the ultimate GT touring car. Great for a road trip, very comfortable, but still got that driver focus that you love from a Lotus car. Very usable, very popular, and not many of these were made, costing in excess of £90,000 when they were brand new. The first Elise of the collection now, and a very special one, an Elise Cup 250 Final Edition. Also finished in vivid green, just like the 430 Cup Exige earlier. Now, once again, the Final Edition marked the last of the Elise model after the run out in 2021. A very special car, delivery mileage, and very collectible. This car's also got the full carbon fibre body kit, spoiler, side skirts and front splitter, another very rare and very desirable option. Moving on to the final car, an Aurora 400 that's just joined us. This car's awaiting preparation, a rare car, low mileage, finished in chrome orange. So this car was the facelift of the Aurora model, lifted the brand, lifted the quality, and they sold very well before the release of the GT410. This is just a variety of some of the Lotus cars we've got for sale. Amongst these and other Lotus cars, we have a variety of classics and sports cars. We have a dedicated workshop for repair, service of Lotus sports cars and classic cars, so do speak to a member of our service team or sales team if you've got any inquiries. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. That was an easy end take.